Okay, here's the demo for the Bamazon app. This is a three-part application in Node.js that takes command line input from the user. The first assignment is the Bamazon customer, and that's the basic requirement for the homework. And it is a shopping app that takes in user input. The first thing you see is the database and all of the items in it, the price, and how many are in stock. You order an item by entering the ID number. We'll do number 1. There are 4 in stock. We will buy 2 of them. And if we continue shopping, you'll see that there are now 2. We can also buy a laptop. We'll just buy 1, and the quantity will go from 3 down to 2. And we need to continue shopping to increase our sales. So we will get some faded jeans, and we'll get 5 of them, 1 for every day of the work week. Continue shopping. And there is some bacon. Let's get some bacon. And we'd like to buy 5 bacons. And continue shopping. One last thing. Let's get one of those Teslas. They're $79.5. Well, why don't we get 2? So we got 2 Tesla Model X's. That total price is $159,000. Continue shopping. No, I think we're done. A few tests with the Bamazon customer is you can quit, of course, right away. You can enter garbage, and you will be told that that was invalid input to try again. And if you enter an ID that is valid input but doesn't exist in the database, you will also be told that's invalid input. The page refreshes, and it prompts you for more input. So that's it for the Bamazon customer. And some of the advanced features were to implement a Bamazon manager. The Bamazon manager is a menu that has items here, viewing products that are in the database, same as in the customer. You can also view items that have a low inventory. Those are items with a stock of less than 5. And you can also add to inventory. So we could go and add to anything, but we'll add some iPhones in there. So we'll pick number 1 and we'll add 10, and there should now be 12 if we view products. And yes, there are 12 iPhones in stock. We can also add a completely new product. So we will add a new product. Let's put in a new car. So we'll go with a Lexus RX 350. And that goes into cars. And that price, I don't know, let's go $40,000. And we'll put in 4 of those. You can see that that product has been inserted into the database. And we can take the last option, which is to quit. And then the last implementation is the supervisor that has 2 options other than quitting. You can view product sales by department. So it will list out all of the departments. It'll show the product sales. It'll show you the overhead required for those sales, which left a profit amount. And you can also create a new department and set the overhead percentage for that department. So if we create a new department, I don't know, we can say cosmetics. And the overhead percentage for cosmetics will be 50%. We have to put in a decimal value here, and then that will be turned into a percentage and calculated later on. So we're told that we've added a department, cosmetics, 50% overhead, and if we view our sales by department, now cosmetics is in the list. There are no sales yet, and thus no overhead or profit. That's about it for Bamazon. So I will quit.